viewers, this is Shivanka and today I'm going to review this beautiful micro miniature scene. I modified it so that it's completely magnetic. You can tilt it as you wish, but nothing will fall off. As it's magnetic, you can take things apart as you like and put it back anywhere on the scene and nothing will fall off because I've attached magnetic strips at the bottom of each little piece. So without further delays, let us dive into the world of this beautiful miniature scene. Enjoy!
Let's open the dust cover to reveal the beautiful scenery inside. The house is surrounded by a beautiful blue lake and there are little ducks swimming around happily inside the lake. Underneath the lake portion, I've attached magnetic tape and each little piece has small metal plates attached underneath with glue. The little ducks each have metal plates underneath so that they can neatly attach to the surface. This is a lighthouse and it also has a metal plate underneath. You can place it anywhere on the lake and it will not fall off. This tree here is pretty massive, so I had to attach an entire magnet underneath. There's also a metal plating attached underneath the grass so that it can hold all the magnetic pieces together. You can see Mr. Rabbit standing on the balcony and Mrs. Rabbit is right here. They have a beautiful grand piano and a beautiful ivy-covered home. I have included a back panel and decorated it with ivy. Let's open it up. The interior is fully furnished and it looks even more cozy once you turn on the lights. Every single furniture can be removed and rearranged according to your preference. When you're working with miniatures of this scale, it is hard to make everything stay together without it all falling apart. And that's why one of the solutions is to attach them all with glue. But then you lose the ability to rearrange furniture like an actual dollhouse. So making them all magnetic appeared to be a very useful alternative. There are sofa sets, bookcases, and the chandelier can also be taken out. The bed has a removable blanket and pillows. This is how the interior looks like without most of the furnitures. Let's put all the furnitures back inside. Here's the bookcase. The cabinet. The sofa sets. the centerpiece, chandelier, and the dining table. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of this magnetic micro miniature world. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See you in my next video.